Ooh.
Oh my gosh. She's really good at this. Hi everyone, welcome back to Winnie's channel, and in today's video, Winnie's going to be doing another taste test. We have a lot of foods for her to try today, and I'm super excited. But before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure to give that subscribe button a paw to subscribe to Winnie's channel with those notifications turned on, so you find it every time Winnie posts a new video. So, let's get started. So the first food for Winnie to try is green beans. Winnie, want some green beans? Come on, right here. Eat them. Try them.
Go ahead. It's okay. Okay.
Come on.
It's okay. Go ahead. You can go now.
What? Now we have carrots. Go, Winnie. Carrots.
You want your carrots?
Why aren't you eating?
Go ahead. Okay. You can go. Have a carrot.
Oh. She grabbed
Oh!
Don't eat them off the floor. That's gross. Strawberry. Oh, I guess Winnie really likes strawberries. Why do you like strawberries so much, Winnie? Really? Oh, you seem to enjoy that. Was it good? Okay. Come on, Winnie, bananas. Try the banana.
Go ahead. Banana.
You like those. Aren't they good? What are you doing? What? Can you get it, Winnie? Oh, there you go. Finally. You slipped.
I didn't think she'd like that one.
Blueberries. What are you doing? Come on. Finally, it took you long enough. Are you enjoying them? Hard to get off the plate, isn't it? Well, someone decided to take a break between filming. Now we have, oh, yep. You like apples, don't you? Okay, why can't you just eat it on the plate? You gonna eat it? We left them out too long, Winnie. I hope that, what are you doing? Is it because we left them out too long and then they decided to go brown on us? It's fine though. Oh, I didn't even, I barely started to film, Winnie. It's the only mango left we had. Okay, well this was mango, which I guess really Winnie did enjoy. Okay, Winnie, I guess we have a new snack for you, mango. So now we have honey. Can you reach it? It's a small little cup. Wait, maybe if I pour it on the plate. Give it a minute. Let's see, how's it doing? Try the honey. It's honey, Winnie. Come on, Winnie. Want to try the honey? Ugh, it's sticky? I don't know. I don't know if she's a fan of this. Do you want more honey? It's a little sticky, Winnie. Winnie, steak.
Winnie.
The steak. Are you crazy? You're gonna turn down steak? That's what I thought. Until they come around for steak. Now we're not gonna let her eat the bone, obviously. We're just going to let her take the little piece of the steak off.
Let's see what she does, because she's never actually had a bone before. She's had the steak, but not the bone. Let's see. I'm gonna see if she knows what to do with it. Ooh, look at her go. she's doing a good job cleaning it.
Ooh, Winnie. You're bringing out your inner wolf.
She's actually being very gentle. She's not biting me at all.
I guess that's what those little baby teeth in the
I
front
know,
are
look
for.
at them.
Oh, wow. Good job, Winnie.
Ooh.
Oh, my gosh. She's really good at this.
Ooh.
So she did a pretty good job. Look at that. It's so smooth and clean. Wow, Winnie, you did a good job. Good job, Winnie. Good job. What? I thought there were chicken nuggets in there.
Wow.
Oh, I don't think she minds, though. I think she's okay with having
loving
french fries. Oh.
Oh!
And we got some french fries in there. Double fry, Winnie. Double fry time. Are those good?
Anything left?
Is there anything left, Winnie?
Anything left?
Anything left? What are you doing? Are you...
Oh, it didn't work.
Oh, Winnie.
Anything left?
Now we have some orange juice. Okay, online they said... Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, wait a minute. Is she eating it?
Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's what I thought.
She does like it.
Oh, online they said dogs wouldn't like it because of the strong citrus smell. It's okay for her to eat, but they said online dogs wouldn't like it. This is the food scoreboard. Every single food Winnie tried today passed because she loves all foods. And also don't forget to follow Winnie on Instagram at wacky.winnie.official. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also make sure to give that subscribe button a paw to subscribe to Winnie's channel with those notifications turned on, so you're going to get it every time Winnie posts a new video. I'll see you guys next week. Winnie will too. Bye, everyone.